Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Massy Holdings is now the parent company, is bidding to be the parent company of local petroleum and oxygen company IGL. Massy says its board approved the acquisition earlier this week. The two have entered into a share purchase agreement to buy all shares of IGL St. Lucia IBC for $140.3 million. IGL St. Lucia IBC Limited owns 100% of IGL Limited, a company that has operated in Jamaica for 6 decades. IGL distributes liquefied petroleum gas (LPG). It manufactures and distributes industrial medical gases and other carbonated gases, including food-grade carbon dioxide. Now, completion of the transaction is subject to regulatory approval by the Jamaica Fair Trading Commission. Massy says the acquisition of IGL St. Lucia IBC from Caribbean Petroleum Marketing Limited is part of its strategic growth. It's part of its regional strategy to grow its LPG and gas products portfolio in Jamaica and the region. The acquisition is expected to increase Massy's profit before tax by 29.7%. To some more company news now, shareholders of local conglomerate Jamaica Producers Group and Pan Jam Investments have agreed to the company's amalgamation. The vote was done at emergency general meetings held by each company today. The approval is a key step to bring the companies together. CEO of JP Group Jeffrey Hall explained what will happen next.
As I mentioned at the outset, we'll first see us populating JP Global Holdings with the operating businesses of JP, excluding some cash and some non-core property. The transfer of JP Global Holdings to Pan Jam Investment Limited. Pan Jam Investment Limited changes its name to Pan Jamaica Group and issues to JP a 34.5% interest and the right to participate at the level of the board.
Now, the new board will be chaired by Stephen Facey, current executive chairman of Pan Jam Investments. Mr. Hall will serve as vice chair. Hall will also serve as executive management as CEO of the new Pan Jamaica Group. Pan Jam's current CEO, Joanna Banks, will hold the position of president of Pan Jamaica Group. And to the currency market now, the US dollar is being sold for an average $153.44. $113.88 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $185.92 for the pound, while it's costing an average $164.59 for the euro. The JSE index gained 1,527 points today, while the junior market index rose by 32 points. Among the winners were Access Financial Services, Indies Pharma Jamaica, Knutsford Express Services, Portland JSX, and Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares. The decliners included Iron Rock Insurance Company, Berger Paints Jamaica, Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, Derrimont Trading, and Mayberry Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.